Hey, so bowling is so much fun. It's going to test your number skills. It's going to see how well you are with like order of operations, that kind of thing. But I'm telling you, it is really fun. So somebody a long time ago said, and I don't know when and how they decided that this was a thing, because I'm not always very good at it, but they said that if you take any 3 dice and you roll it, okay, that you can use these 3 numbers and add them, subtract them, multiply, divide them, but you can somehow get all of the numbers 1 through 10. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like, and we're going to do a little example. That way you can try your extra credit, okay? All right, so let's say that these are the numbers that I rolled, okay? So we rolled a 4, a 2, and a 5. Okay, so what we're going to do, like I said, is we're going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide these numbers, and we should somehow be able to get all of the numbers 1 through 10. So we set it up like bowling pins. The object is to be able to get all of the numbers, and if you get all of them, then you have bowled a strike, okay? So let me show you what I'm talking about. So you can do like 5 minus 4, which is 1, plus 2 gives you 3. And see, I just knocked down the 3 pin. Okay, let's do it again. What about 5 plus 2, which is 7, minus 4? Oh, that gives me a 3. So sometimes, yeah, you're going to get them multiple times, but I already knocked down a 3. I got to get something else, right? Okay, let's see. How about 5 plus 4 minus 2? So 5 plus 4 is 9. Minus 2 makes 7. How about 2 divided by 5 minus 4? Notice how I put this almost in like fraction form. So order of operations, right? You're going to do the denominator first. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And so then 2 divided by 1 is 2, and I just knocked down the 2 pin. A couple of things that you have to keep in mind. You have to use all 3 numbers in your numerical sentence, and you can only use them 1 time. Okay, so just a couple of those kinds of things to think about. Let's see, what else? Ooh, I got another one. How about 5 times 4, which is 20, divided by 2 gives me 10. Okay. What else can I do? What else can I do? Ooh, I got another one. 4 plus 2 is 6. Minus 5 is 1. Sometimes I'm not very fast at these. Sometimes I'm not very good at them either, but we try. We try. That's all that matters. What else can we do? Ooh, I know something that I didn't tell you that you could do. And I forgot, okay? So remember, you're going to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. But here's the other kicker. You can also add in a square root symbol. So if I added in the square root of 4, see how I used my 4? The square root of 4 is 2, right? So the square root of 4 is 2. What if I divided that by 2, that gives me 1, and then I multiply that by 5, I get 5. See how that worked? I can actually get a couple more of them by using this. So the square root of 4 is 2, divided by 2 is 1, and if I do 5 minus that, so 5 minus 1, that's my 4 pin. If I did 5 plus that, so 5 plus that 1, I'm going to knock my 6 pin down. All right, let's see. How are we going to get an 8 and a 9? Okay, so this is why I said I'm not very good at it. Sometimes I have to stop and think. So it took me a couple of minutes to figure out the 9 and 10. But if I do the square root of 4, which is 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, plus that other 2 gives me the 9, so there's my 9 pin. 5 times the square root of 4, which again is 2, so 5 times 2 is 10. When I subtract 2, I get an 8, so there's my 8 pin, and check it out. I just got a strike. All right, so now you're going to go use the numbers that are listed on Canvas. I don't remember what those numbers are, so make sure that you go look for them, okay?